everyone.
And welcome back to our channel, you beautiful soul. Have you missed us?
I'm sure you have.
So today's video, as you guys have probably already seen by the title and the thumbnail, if you haven't, then here we are to give you a quick explanation.
A quick rundown.
So there's this little trend or challenge going on, the blind, deaf and mute.
And deaf, yeah.
And we thought, you know what better way for us to make our lovely grand return,
Return
back to our channel by filming this video with our friend Dee. If you've watched our videos, you've seen her.
I've been here like a few
She's like a returning character in this channel.
Yeah.
Our choice of cake for today is that one, the rainbow party.
I got happy, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Gonna be making this cake. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. This is the blind in the blind. So you know what?
Yeah, you've seen our cooking ones, and it's never gone exactly very good.
And
so
I can't help. I'm not gonna lie to you.
we're just making this worse on ourselves, but it's fine. It's fine.
She's gonna be the deaf one.
I will not be able to hear anyone.
And
See no evil.
then I'm gonna be mute because apparently I talk too much. So you know what?
So
I'm
you
gonna...
probably shut her up for a while. Just so you guys know, I'm going to be using my AirPods to actually listen to music, and then I'm just going to have this one on top.
for the extra support.
And also because you can actually hear my music through
Yeah.
this if I don't have this on top. So yeah.
May God bless us all.
Hack a time.
Before you continue this amazing video by these two amazing people, like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, turn it on, ding-a-ling-a-ling, click it, follow their social medias, which is down below.
Okay.
And if you don't, you're a hater, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Anyways,
She said it all, guys. She said it all.
sorry to interrupt the video like that, but you know, do what she says.
What she said.
Okay, on to the video. This is the bit without makeup on, so you know. How many fingers am I holding up? Don't do that.
No, because I couldn't.
What? How many fingers am I holding up?
There, just stay there. The ball is here. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to stop my music now, okay? So I'm going to stop hearing you guys.
She's going to stop.
It's like, I got it.
Alexa, we need the egg. The egg.
You need the eggs. Eggs. And water.
Okay.
3 eggs.
3
Eggs.
milk. Do you know what?
I think you put a missing
Okay,
milk.
I'm here.
It's missing. Read it, Ty. Read the map. You
Hold on.
put it.
Hold on now. Hold on.
Well, hold on on that. Hold on.
You preheated.
Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to preheat your oven. Do you have to preheat? Huh?
Oh.
Huh? Whisk! Okay! Whisk! I'm waiting!
Step up. 6.
I know that song!
To let go. Okay, you need to wait. Put it down. Mix.
Mix or whisk? Whisk!
Well done. We need to whisk for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay! Put it on the table. Cool. I prefer whisking in my shoulders. Got me tripping.
We need scissors.
Ooh, tripping.
Scissors.
Ooh, fumbling. Ooh, clumsy, 'cause I'm falling in love.
Don't put all of it one go. Little. Little. Wait.
I thought it was supposed to whisk for 2 2 minutes. With? Oh, okay. Flour.
If I'm gone, I'll be out in a week. I got my story straight down to a T. Oh, I'd say it wasn't me. Now I'm gonna set your house on fire. Back to your place with the gas and the match. Mix.
Do you want to mix?
Darling, I'm sorry, it's not enough to convince.
Your mouth is hurting.
Do not eat unbaked butter. Huh? Do not eat unbaked butter.
You eat.
But do you have?
I'm trying to figure out what to
Do you have?
Am I still mixing? Okay. Smells nice. It smells nice. It smells good.
Oh, smell that! Yeah.
Good? Cool.
Whoa! Na. More than life.
Huh? I wait. Cool. I know that.
I think we should just leave it there. That's dangerous. No, hold up. Okay. Take a
Oh, you want me to pour it?
Wait.
We go for here. Oh. What?
Just put it down.
What? What is wrong?
Huh?
What is wrong?
Water spill.
And where? Where? Oh dear! ¿Dónde está the water?
Wait.
No. Okay. Slowly.
Pour.
Right, is Daniella pouring on me? I'm bending my head like I can see.
I can't see.
Are you blind?
Don't worry.
Oh, it tastes nice.
Wait.
Can I have it?
What? Let go. Nothing to say. We got nothing to prove. Dada.
Daniella, the ball.
He's done. He's bored.
The ball.
What?
The ball.
What?
To eat.
The ball. The ball's on the table.
Thank you.
Here's the spoon.
Oh, cheers.
Still telling me you want more, but then it's
Ball out to your feet, so tango a few moves, I will top draw. Hey!
I grab your hand. We start to say,
Hey!
sausage.
Sorry.
All right, we're gonna start the icing now.
Oh, we pour it. This girl told me look. Oh, sorry.
Dímelo. That's it, keep going. Okay, more up.
Oh, okay.
The way you move, the way you groove makes me wanna get close to you. I towards Sapphire Bigo. She moving like she from Puerto
Get yourself a Alexis. I'm dead. There's nothing here. Oh, stop. Wait. Relax. Get the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. Okay, I'll wait.
and you can have all of me tonight.
You want me?
Else told me.
You want me to look at you?
You got me like a bird taking flight. I'll hit you right, just like you like you like.
Not yet, but more sprinkles.
Like you like.
In a circle. Throw that in a circle.
Like you like. Como se gusta.
Slowly. Slowly.
I need ya.
Oh. Really? What are you doing?
Ain't nobody else gonna make it right. I got me like a bullet, take it fly. I'll hit you right, just like you like. You know me love when you get nasty. I wanna do you in the backseat. Never put no one above me.
Please tell me you're trying to show me what to do. Please tell me that's not how it goes. Please tell me you're not trying to show me what the Okay.
We got me no back friends. You can disappear to a place that's out of sight. Just you and I. And we'll be fine.
You want me to stand like this? And then you show. You show.
Sprinkle time!
You show me what Daniella, listen. We were trying to do this, but it wasn't working. She said to come. 1, 2. Do you know this 1, 2, 3 rule, Daniella? Because men, none of them not like men understand what I'm going.
Okay. But what's this?
Lost.
The second time
Second time.
is 1.
It's 1. Second time is 1.
What?
Second time equals 1. Y'all lost me. I'm not gonna lie, y'all lost me.
That part's fine. They can't see that bit.
You can say
Slowly. Help me.
it's the cake there.
Hand. Put on your hand and then like that.
Sprinkle in a circle. I didn't do it. Sorry, I didn't mean shout. I didn't do it. I was just standing there and y'all were shaking in my.
And then sprinkle on the cake.
It's nice. That's not the cake, is it? I heard it. I heard cardboard. Ta-da! No? Well, Daniella, ¿dónde está sprinkles?
The cake. Here.
Here. Here. Oh! Sprinkles! Ta-da! Why is everyone laughing?
on the floor, but
I'm not gonna lie, I can't see right now.
That'll do it.
That'll
So,
do
you
it.
know, I hope you guys enjoyed us making our cake. Look, you know what? Look at that. That looks pretty.
Yay!
to be honest, considering all our baking videos, this has probably come out the best. Other way. Do it the other way.
Alright, let's do that.
That's the ugly way.
I'm quite proud of you guys. I can't bake to save my life, so I don't know how you want my influence.
Bro,
That was fun. I want to do that again.
This was very entertaining though, I must say. I think we did pretty good.
All things considering.
And I'm going to apologise for any shouting that may have come from my end.
But, you know, I hope you. Why am I just eating ice? Sorry.
Visit them again. They are amazing people and deserve the hype and recognition
I hit my butt.
that you guys should be giving.
Absolutely.
I love how talking and they talk
So
every
sorry.
You so much recognition.
I hit my butt, that's why I couldn't hold in the owl.
But no, I support them and you guys should too.
Oh,
Follow,
you're
like,
cute.
subscribe, notification bell.
I love how Alexis just walks off set.
That's
to
how it
fix her
goes.
makeup.
Yeah, because you know that band was on there, but my mouth was getting moist, so everyone was like,
Dribbling.
Yeah. I was
Oh,
about
yeah.
to say that's what he said.
but you know what? She said
She said everything and
She
more
said
that we needed to say.
you deserve a different place, man. Anyway,
Love you.
I enjoyed this video. She enjoyed this video. You enjoyed this
It was
video.
very
did.
fun to do, I must
We're
say.
gonna eat the cake now. Don't forget, just follow our social medias for more. It'll be somewhere on the screen, and it will also be linked down below in the description box. We will see you guys in our next video. TTFN, ta-ta for now. I've been practicing that on my time away. TTFN, ta-ta for now.
Out.
Bye.
Bye.